your Indian consumer.
Hey consumers, it's me Prasad Vidpatak, your Indian consumer, and today we are unboxing, reviewing and telling you everything that you want to know about the JBL T200A Pure Bass. Now these are the JBL headphones and we had ordered these from Flipkart. Well, we received it within one day, which was phenomenal on part of Flipkart. So this is how the packaging will look like. And let's take a closer look at the packaging and the box. Talking about the details of these headphones, it has a 9mm dynamic high performance driver, latex free silicone sleeves, which definitely we will be testing. Frequency response is 20 to 22 kilohertz, and they are available in yellow gray, red black, blue white and black colors. Some of the information related to the mic, send and call button, the bottom side of the box. Let's quickly get inside the box. Let me tell you, the plastic to remove can be really difficult and you have to be very careful because the headphones seem fairly delicate, and we will be testing the cords and everything. So let's see if it is delicate or no. But let's keep it aside for time being and let's see what we get inside the box. And well, that was it that we get inside the box. So let's take a closer look at the pouch. So the pouch, which is like a satin polyester kind of material, which is very soft, and the pouch is average. Well, let's keep it aside. These are the extra ear tips that you get of large and small sizes. Medium sizes are already attached onto the headphones. So let's keep them aside. Let's see what this is. Warranty card and the user manual. So these headphones have a 1-year warranty, which is mentioned here, and all the warranty norms are mentioned. So this can be handy. Well, let's keep it aside and take a closer look finally at the earphones itself. So here I have nice yellow and grey color. The grey is really dark grey and the plastic quality is really nice on this ones. I really like the plastic quality. The earbuds are really soft. They are latex free silicone ear tips, so they are really soft to touch. So that is what I can tell you. Speaker grill here, which is completely plastic. The plastic used here is of a fairly nice quality, I must say that. Here the left and right, which I indicated very nicely, there is a small protruding dot there for the visually impaired, which is a really nice thing done by JBL here. So well, that is how the ear tips look and the cords. This is the mic button, which can send and end calls and also switch tracks, which I'll be demonstrating later. So here you have a nice glossy finish and a matte finish on the back, which complements each other. The cord fairly becomes thick down below. This is the joint. The 3.5mm jack, which is nicely gold plated and branded as well. The branding is really nice and complements the look. The ear tips look really stylish, and as far as the looks go, we are really impressed with these ones. The quality of the cords also seems good. Let's quickly try and hear them. Let's see how they exactly sound. I'll try and play a song and this will roughly give you an idea of how they exactly sound. So let's give it a try. And well, they have started. So here you go. This recording has been done using the microphone on these headphones so that you can get an idea of how the recorded audio will sound. La 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 la. Enough, let's get back to business. Let's take a look at how the button exactly functions. If you click it once, it will play and pause. That is what was mentioned on the box. Well, but if you double press it, it will change the track. It will switch on the next track. And of course you can play and pause by single click. And if you triple click it, nothing happens. So no triple click action on these ones. If you hold them for a longer period of time, it will open the Google search, and you can of course send and end your calls using this button as well. So one click and double click, that is how it functions. Well, here is Rewind by Witworks, and let's fit them inside the Rewind. Rewind is your single solution for all the tangling headphones. So if you fit your headphones in Rewind, they will never tangle, and it also gives it a nice look. So if you don't know about Rewind and want to see the video, you can simply click on the screen and it will redirect you to the page where you can see the Rewind video. So that's how easily you can fit them on the Rewind, and that is how it looks. Rewind is very stylish and a lot functional. So do check out the videos if you don't know about it. It has a really nice design here. You can see how it bends, and it has this really ergonomic curve which fits into your ear very nicely. So they feel very comfortable on your ear. So if I have to rate the design, I'll give it 9 out of 10. Speaking about the build quality, I really like the plastic parts on this one. The rubber is also of a very nice quality, and so I'll rate it 8 out of 10. Speaking about the sound quality, which is the basic thing of a earphone, I really like the bass on these ones. The treble is also very nice. The clarity is amazing. It also has the noise cancellation feature, and it cancels up to 90% of the sound. So I'll rate them 9 out of 10. Branding, I'll rate them 9 out of 10 again. So well guys, this was all about the T200A. If you want to see more such videos on earphones and headphones, I have mentioned the playlist below in the description and also here on the screen which you're seeing right now. You can simply click on the playlist and it will redirect you to all the other videos which I have made for the headphones. Well, this was your Indian consumer Prasad Pathak signing off. Thank you.